The Inspired Innovation Award nominees sponsored by Union Gas Limited, Liquiforce Services Ontario, Strong Dental, Windsor Cardiac Centre, Liquiforce Services Ontario.
Liquiforce Services is a leader in pipeline rehabilitation. One of the first jobs that Liquiforce had was a couple of weeks of sewer cleaning in the town of Leamington. And that's where we began. Since then, we've been able to learn more about the industry, learn more about the challenges facing the owners of municipal infrastructure, and we're working hard to come up with innovative ways to meet those challenges for them. What we've done is develop technology that is very similar to arthroscopic surgery that a doctor would do, totally remote controlled, using video, using electronic equipment, hydraulics, several different engineering disciplines, all controlled remotely, going through the access points in the street, down the manholes, down the main sewer line, hundreds of meters, and then hundreds of meters toward the house as well. To put it simply, we use the old pipe, buried infrastructure pipe, and we use that as a mold, and we put a brand new pipe inside of the old pipe, which meets or exceeds the design requirements of pipe that's buried in the ground. We have to innovate to be better, to meet the needs of our clients. And behind that is we want to be the best. We really do want to be the best at what we do.
Strong Dental.
I am the developer, fabricator of oral appliances to treat sleep-disordered breathing, specifically snoring and sleep apnea. I am the developer of the SUAD line of appliances. SUAD stands for Strong Upper Airway Dilating Appliance. I love doing research and development. I'm never accepting what I've done as the best. There's always something better. And the latest appliance I developed is completely changing the industry. It's unique how it works. Your tongue's connected to your lower jaw. If you move your lower jaw forward, you automatically open up the airway. Now, snoring sounds like, and if I move my jaw forward, I can't snore. And that's what intrigued me about this. It just moves the lower jaw forward, opens the airway up, and the patient can sleep. Sleep apnea is a serious medical condition. Apnea is a Greek word for want of breath. Simply means you stop breathing. That carbon dioxide gets into your blood and it starts to create the headaches that patients will have in the morning. It's creating the tiredness in the morning and it's leading to strokes. When I take that sleep-deprived patient, I take that patient that comes in to see me and is dragging their butt in the door, and I put a dental appliance in and I completely change that person's life. It's phenomenal. There's nothing else in dentistry. There is no other procedure that we can do in dentistry that we can save somebody's life.
Windsor Cardiac Centre.
Heart attack is a preventable disease 90% of the time. So if you're able to identify the patient at risk, you're able to prevent the heart attack. We use the highest technology to give the patient accurate diagnosis and start him treatment immediately. We have a number of patients fragile enough and they cannot come to the hospital, our center. So we established technology where we're using a point-of-care mobile service and we can go to the patient home. By using the high technology such as the cardiophone, we are leading the entire nation in real-time cardiac monitoring, using the satellite technology to monitor the patient heart rate across the globe and send us the information real-time, and having two-way communication where we're able to communicate with the patient and advise him to go to a health facility to receive immediate treatment before his disease advances and develop heart attack or stroke.